Hi everyone, Hannah here. So this video is a swap reveal as well as a haul video. I had just left out of town right after I got my fall themed matchbook from Kelley, and so I wanted to go ahead and do a video. I've already opened it and then put it back in there. This is some really pretty washi tape that was on the back, so I'm actually going to save this. And what I like to do is, you know, I do a lot of sticker labels, and so on the shiny side I can put this on it and then save it, so hopefully it'll stick to it pretty good, so that way I can, you know, I can reuse that. So she sent like a little postcard. Let's see if I can salvage this without ripping it up. Let's put that there. All right, so this is what she sent. We did a matchbook swap. Absolutely love this paper, gorgeous. And it was kind of just, you know, an impromptu, you know, swap. And so I was like, yeah, let's do it. That'll be fun. So we both made one, and it's really fun, really fun. And we'll just kind of go through it here. Just absolutely love this. Oh, wow, that's neat. Cool, little film strip there. I just love it. And then you put like a date there. Oh yeah, I really like that. I just love doing little miniature type stuff with little, you know, pieces of paper and different things. You know, bits of fabric. Looks like some mulberry paper in there. Just absolutely love it. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. And then you could just put like a little title in there as well. Oh yeah, this is great. You know, you could just, you know, glue some pictures on, you know, a little journal a little bit and then glue it on, you know, or right in this little spot. Just absolutely cute. I absolutely love it. And I'll keep this tissue paper. Well, it's not really a tissue paper, more like glassine paper. I just absolutely love it. Really pretty. Thank you, Kelley, so much. It's just absolutely beautiful. I love it. And I wanted to also show y'all, so over the weekend we went to a couple of places. We went to, it's a town called Winnie, Texas, and they have trade day sales, like this really big flea market, and so they have all kinds of stuff. And in one of the shops they had some vintage curtains, and so I got it for a pretty good deal and just absolutely love it. So I mean, it's just yards and yards, and I got 2 of them. They sold, you know, each panel separately, but I actually bought it to, you know, cut up because I loved it. I mean, you know, I almost feel bad cutting it up. I was going to buy some extras to, you know, to use as curtains as well, and just really pretty. But these 2 I wanted to go ahead and cut up. It's just so pretty, and of course it's that, you know, beautiful, you know, cream color. It just absolutely love it. So you'll be seeing a video here shortly of where I'm going to be putting together some fabric book kits or bundles for our next swap that we're going to do. We're putting together some Christmas themed fabric books, and we're going to be following Artie Mae's her YouTube videos. She has a 3-part video series, and it just looks like something fun to do. Actually following her steps of what all pieces of fabric, everything measured like she has, and I'm going to be, you know, cutting up some of the different pieces of fabric for that project, and you know, include like a little scrap material pack as well. And so that's really going to be fun. And then another thing that I bought, this is a vintage Samsonite luggage. And it's in really, really good condition. And so, you know, you open it up, you got this, and then you take this out. And then inside, you know, you've got, you know, where you put some clothes, and it's got these little pouches here, and it's all still in really good shape. I mean, the elastic is still really good on it. You know, considering, I mean, if you stretched it out too much, it might not do too good, but it almost, as you know, is as if this wasn't even used that much. And then of course you got your straps up at the top. There's, you know, 2 straps here. And I was just really excited to see this. So I got it. You know, I picked it up, you know, for what I thought was a pretty good price. Not 100% sure what I'm going to do with it yet. You know, I don't know if I'll, you know, put lace in it, or, you know, scrapbooking or junk journal stuff. I'm just not really sure, but it is really, you know, really pretty. You know, it's nostalgic of, like, you know, old movies, and I just absolutely love it. So I saw it there, and it's in really good condition, so I went ahead and just got it. And so anyway, that is my reveal / haul video for the day. And I'm currently working on putting together, like I said, the Christmas fabric book kit, as well as some other Christmas related items, you know, just kind of different, you know, little mini kits and things like that. So I'm working on that. I'll keep you posted on some little shorts or short videos and pictures later this week. Thanks so much for watching.